for our today's title. The title is From Ideas to Impact, Turning Ideas into Collective Action. And later you can ask some question in Q&A question. And today's speaker presentation will be led by Mr. Aldi Surabakti. He is the Chief Operation Officer of Hubrik the Boundaries. And okay, Mr. Aldi, are you ready? Mr. Aldi, are you here? All right. Uh, Maybe we have to wait for a while because Mr. Aldi um didn't join this pre-orientation and he will join soon. But I will join you guys to write down your name and your country in chat book so we can know each other your home country. Okay, I will start writing my name and my country. Okay, guys, I invite you to write down your name and your country in chat box. Okay, Rofaida from Egypt. Nice to know you, Rofaida. Okay, um, there is Kanabin from India, and there is Dr. Rimas from Algeria. Okay, nice to know you all. And uh, is Mr. Ali already here? Okay, maybe we have to wait him for a while. Um, and today's title is about from ideas to impact, turning ideas into collective action. So it will today's session will help us to design our transform our point of view from a background into good idea and can be present in Middle East Sapien. Because during during many participants that has shown their essay to us, there are many ideas from their each country, from their each country context, from their background problem, and has potential to be present to the world what's happened from their country, and even they have made their ongoing NGO, and it's good that it can be chance to the world to see what's happening in every country's problem. And that's why this session will lead us how to create a good idea and make it become a project, even by society project like NGO, like small community in the rural or in the center of the countries. And also, we can make we can make a huge project with collaboration to the local government. But let's wait for the speaker. The speaker will join us. Okay, Mr. Aldi.
Hello, Ethan.
Okay, Mr. Aldi, thank you for attending today's presentation. Are you ready, Mr. Aldi?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
I'm ready. Thank you for waiting me and apologize for coming late due to the some obstacles that I'm facing.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Aldi, the time is yours.
Okay, well, so hello everyone. Thank you for joining us at the pre-orientation program for the Middle East Youth Summit 2026. So actually, we are going to have two batches of the pre-orientation of the Middle East Summit 2026. The first will be in March and April as we are preparing right now. And the other batch will be in November. However, since we are going to have the fifth series of the Middle Asia Summit, we are going to talk more about the summit that we are going to face forward. And yeah, allow me please to share my screen. Uh, yeah, I have this screen and 26 from ideas to impact, turning the ideas into collective action. So, well, we have several sub themes that we are going to discuss right now. It is about SCD number 4, number 5, number 10, and number 6 as you decided or chose before on the registration guideline or the registration form. So, however, we are going to have a group or for uh, this year's summit, you are not going to be collected into groups, but you will be presenting personally. So maybe by next week, we are going to begin the mentoring session for the presentation that you have to prepare and to be presented at the summit later. So yeah, actually we had to have group project. The delegate, as it is mentioned before, that the delegate will be grouped, will be collected into some groups, and every group consists of two or three people. But this year's summit, you might present individually. We will not have a group project, but it is a personal or individual project. And what will we discuss on the project and in the mentoring session? So the project should overcome the problem in the SDGs topic. So we have five sub-themes that we have mentioned before. Either it is four, five, or etc. And the project are allowed to create from the strike or brainstorm or develop new ideas. So using the essay or inspiration. So this way, you can even create your own project, the new idea, the fresh from the oven idea. But if you want to use the idea from your essay, it is also allowed. And also, if you have some projects that you have been involved before, you can also represent at this moment at the Middle East EU Summit. However, since it is personal, so you can decide it by yourself. But we had a group project previous series or the previous programs. So the participants will decide by their project, by their group to decide what project should be arise, should be presented on the presentation section. So yeah, as it is mentioned before that we will be providing you an expert mentor to help you guide the project that you will be presenting in the summit. So the mentor aims to guide you and to advise the strategy and also to ensure that the project is refined for the real impact. So it is also can be scalable and sustainable. And yeah, we will ensure the mentor and we will divide the mentor as soon as possible, and hopefully we can divide the mentor to the participants by next week. So the purpose of the project, we have at least six goals. It is about the actionable innovation, also the advocacy and education. You can also pitch the solutions to gain the strategic support while educating and inspiring the fellow delegates. Also, leadership development, global networking, intercultural strategy, and empowerment. It is the main area that we are concerning about, the empowerment part, that the project should be aligned with the SCD's time and the to be uh, uh, means the positive change or the positive impact. But also with the mentoring, we will guide you and advise you to the scalable and the sustainable project. Well, so there will be some awards after the project presentations, like the best project, the best participant, the best presenter. It can be either male or female, or either both male and female. So also we will have a best group, but since we are not having a group at this moment, so we are erasing the best group. We will have best project, best participants, and best presenter award for the delegates. So yeah, please beware of the caution, do's and don'ts. Respect others' culture and value. Speak clearly at the moderate pace, and also pay attention and listen attentively to your friend's idea. So, if you are presenting the project related the culture, please make sure that you are not ignoring other cultures' value. Like, for example, someone coming from Singapore, so their culture, but this culture uh, does not respect other culture value. Please the uh, culture and uh, also please don't dominate. But since you are uh, 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 committee will be giving the 10 minutes of time for your presentation. So on the uh, uh, having this program for Muslim, designing the program for Muslims. So hopefully we our religions and cultures. Also don't argue the conflict or don't create even conflict. Don't raise your voice in the public. So if you have any critical thinking, so just mention it on the discussion or a panel session, but don't raise your voice. Also don't interrupt when someone's presenting or talking. So I hope the rules is very general, and you also know well about the rules. Hopefully, we can also respect the rules. So yeah, it is about the activity as it is mentioned earlier or on the previous mentoring, and we are not going to talk more about this. Yeah, thank you, just from me, myself, and on behalf of the committee. If you have any question, we are open for any discussion. And before closing the pre-orientation or the session, we have to remind you, since we are at least now in 1 month left before the program. So we are going to discuss more about the preparation of your travel to the program. What about your air freight arrangement? Also, your visa, it is the essential one. Also, if you have paid the batch one and do not receive the what hotel booking from our side, please also raise the concern to the committee, and we will solve the problem very soon. So yeah, I hope everything is clear, and hopefully we can also attend to the summit without any obstacles in the future. Thank you. I give the chance back to Mr. Ethan.
Okay, thank you for insight and information, Mr. Ali. Guys, before we head to Q&A session, let's take some documentation by turning on your camera. I will take a screenshot and I will count it down. Correct. So the view can, so the organizer can make the view, in gallery view or okay. Okay, everyone, please open your camera. Okay. Let's take some screenshot. I will count it down. One, two, three. Okay. Thank you for your enthusiasm and eager joining today orientation. Now let's head to Q&A session. Okay. If anyone has their question, please write it down on or open your microphone.
Hello, my name is Abhi.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and
Time is yours.
thank you so much for everything you explained. I have a couple of questions regarding the program. So first, you told me I mean, there is a two program is going to happen. One in March, which is going to happen next month, and second is going to happen in November. So the November program also will be in the Saudi Arabia.
So the Middle East Summit will be always in Saudi Arabia. But beyond the Middle Asia Summit, we have more programs in many countries as well. We have in Japan this May. So in Vietnam, so Japan is Japan Youth Summit this May. So also in Vietnam, July. Mm, uh, Korea also another Japan Youth Summit in October. So we have also China Youth Summit in October. And the November one is the Middle Asia
Okay.
Summit.
So if I couldn't attend this Mid Youth Summit in the March one, then we can also go for November one. If I couldn't attend this summit with due to some medical emergency, it is possible to postpone it to the November.
We got the point, but unfortunately, we have booked the hotel and prepare everything. So as it is also mentioned on the agreement letter, the
Okay.
participation cannot be deferred to another program or person.
Okay. But actually, yesterday I got the mail, and in the mail it was written uh, uh,
Okay, well, so I think we don't have partial, but we have fully, but do not cover the air flight. So uh, may attend the program fully, but the air flight ticket or visa expenses, but you can attend the program all since the beginning till
okay, so we just have to bear all those things, flight and visa, and other thing you are actually giving me.
yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. But in the mail, it was not written. It was written hotel is excluded.
Let me be clear to the committee, and we will get back to to your mail. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, like for visa, we have to apply for Umrah visa, right?
Yeah, for Umrah visa, and you can apply by yourself to the appointed agency in your country.
So before, once I'll get the booking number from your end, then I can apply only a visa.
Yeah, for those who had the funded confirmation and also paid the bridge one, we had send them the booking hotel, and they can use this to apply the visa.
And you also mentioned that you will have the mentor over there. So those mentor will only provide comments or expert help at the time of the summit, or they can also be in contact after that the summit, so that if we face any problem in a project, they can help to me after the summit as well. Is it also there, or it is they will just on the summit?
So yeah, the contract for the mentor is actually for the summit itself.
Oh, okay.
But if you want to have any confirmation after the summit, you can also talk to the mentor directly. But it is out of our out of our service anymore.
Okay, so it is more like the doing networking by myself. Like if I can contact
Yeah.
them and they keep contacting after the summit as well. And you mentioned that there is a award ceremony. So what kind of award you'll provide the people who are participant?
Yeah.
It is
So
something.
yeah. So the award will be certificate and a token of appreciations. It's not such money and so on. But on the other hand, if we are in Indonesia,
Hmm.
we can use the certificate to be curated to the national agency, and it can be useful for them to continue their study or even to get the scholarship.
Okay, okay. So like there is also a cash prize in the award, like you told.
Sorry?
The cash prize, like you said, in a award
No,
you'll
no.
get some money.
No, no. There is no cash award.
Okay, okay.
The certificate and token of appreciation.
Okay, okay. And can you just tell me how many participants are going to participate in the summit?
Well, so we are not sure till now, but it can be 10 to 15. something. Since we are in Saudi Arabia, so
Mhm.
we are not expecting more people as well, because the government of Saudi Arabia is very restricted of the meeting, external
Mhm.
meeting. I mean, beyond the beyond the government. So yeah, we don't rush the environment on at the place. So we are only participated by yeah, docents, only 10 to 15.
So in the conference, only those people will be available who's participating in the Middle East Summit. Other than those people, there will be no other outsider will be available in the conference.
Yeah, sure. But we have to make clear that in our programs, in our other programs, the summits are attended by hundreds of youth. But only in
Okay.
the Middle East, yeah, we are restricted the number.
Okay. So I have already one project which I already implemented in India, and it is already on ground and operational. So I can present the same project in the Middle East Youth Summit, I think. Yeah.
Iya.
So, okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for your answers. And I'm very much satisfied with your answer. And if you can help me, the partially funded things which I got in the mail, so it will be very good for me to join this Middle East Summit. Thank you so much.
Okay, sure. Please, Ethan, make also note about this clarification mail that we have to provide to our brother Saddam Hussein from India.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. We will check the result and the data of your ESI for fully funded later through the website. Okay. Thank you for your question, Saddam Hussein. And maybe is there any question from other participant here? If you have some question, okay. From Rofaida Mahmoud from Egypt, how should the presentation be structured? It should include all the ideas for a project idea. That's I should reason, correct? Okay, Mr. Ali.
Yeah, okay. Well, the structure of the presentation will be delivered by the mentor very soon, by next week. So I'm not going to present in advance, but you will be provided the articles and the uh, procedures and so on, the criteria by the mentor by next week.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ali. And then next question. Hi, I from Arkanabin from India. Hi, I have UK graduate visa. So am I eligible for tourist a visa as having Indian passport? Okay, Mr. Ali.
Yeah. Okay, since you have the UK visa, if you have still active, you can visit Saudi Arabia without any visa. So you can just enter, but make sure that your visa is valid.
Okay, thank you for your question. Thank you for your answer, Mr. Ali. And then yeah, that's all for Q&A question, the Q&A session, and then let's end today's presentation. Thank you for your enthusiasm and eagerness, and don't forget attending our next presentation. And see you in the next time.
See you everyone. Good luck. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.